Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well. Welcome back to my channel with another very beautiful video of embroidery designs. Guys, this video contains a very beautiful, elegant, and exquisite collection of baby girl dresses, baby girl embroidery, frocks, shirts, jackets, and different stylized patterns of full-length dresses that could be designed with the art of hand embroidery for your baby girls. If you already have baby girls' dresses or frocks that are in use, then you can design them by making very beautiful patterns of embroidery as being shown to you onto your screens right now. The basic purpose and the basic motive and intent of making videos and sharing design ideas is to share creativity and beautiful designs of handwork and hand art with you. We never intend or reclaim someone else's work as our own. The basic intent of making videos and sharing design ideas with you is to share creativity only. So if you like my today's video, ideas and design, then don't forget to like, subscribe. If you have already subscribed, you can subscribe from as many as other devices so that we could grow up into a large and remarkable number of YouTube friends and family members. Guys, the beauty and creativity of this video is three in one. That is, you can all equally use them for machine embroidery instead of hand embroidery, and even you can get stylized patterns of stitching design ideas at how you can design your baby girl frocks, shirts, or dresses as well. So stay tuned for the more and new upcoming videos onto my channel. After then, take care.